So, how been ya? Welcome to the Black Country Craftsman's YouTube channel. The problem with the creaking floors is the timbers shrink and gaps develop in between the tight joints which hold everything together. Now this looseness creates a very annoying creak. Now to get over this problem you will need a hacksaw blade, a hammer and a nail punch. This creak is coming from the inside of this wall. The way to tell this is to step on the floor until it creaks, then step away. You'll find as you step away it creaks again. This is due to the timbers going back to where they come from before you stepped on it. Okay, let's explain exactly what's happening. Okay, looking at the diagram, you've got your joists that are underneath your floorboards. There is your floorboard that goes across there. The timber sections there are your stud work that's actually behind your plasterboard and your skirting board there. Now, there's a nail that's tying the stud work to the flooring, and there's a gap that develops in between the stud work and the flooring. What's happening is every time you put pressure on that area of the floorboard there, that nail starts to move up and down, and that's the creaking noise. Firstly, we need to locate the nail. Now, the best way to do this is using the straight edge of the hacksaw blade. Put a line with a pencil on the floorboard. Then do the same on the other side. By doing this, you can clearly see from the photo that the two lines resemble the thickness of a nail. Also, the sound of the tapping noise is metal on metal. So to remove that annoying creak, you must cut the nail in two using the hacksaw blade. Okay, just a little warning for you. As you've seen on the video, by cutting the nail you remove that creak, but potentially there is water pipes that are in between the floors and also electric cables. Now when tapping on these two, you do find a different noise, but also that's a duller sound, and when you mark them out, that could be roughly around a 15mm gap, and that one potentially could be 6, 8, 10mm, all depending the thickness of the cable. So before you start cutting, be very, very careful that you're not cutting either an electric cable or a water pipe, and making sure that it is the nail. As you can see, it's gone. Silence is once again golden. The other cause to creaking flooring is the nails in the floorboards. In this case, these are not creaking, but if they are, simply tap them down tight to the floor using a nail punch and an hammer. All done, as good as new. As we say in the Black Country, that's busted. Okay, if you've enjoyed this video, smash us a like, drop us a comment below and we'll do our best to reply. And please click on subscribe as I do plan to put more videos on in the future. I'm the Black Country Craftsman. Don't forget to tell your muckers. Learning how to fix these problems yourself is cheaper than paying someone else to do it for you. Thanks for watching.